Zener diode is also known as a breakdown diodes, and Zener diode is heavily doped semiconductor device which is designed to operate in reverse breakdown region. The name Zener diode was named after the name of an American scientist, Clarence Melvin Zener. He has discovered the Zener effect. You must remember this as well. See, the reverse breakdown of a PN junction, it may occur either due to the Zener effect or the avalanche effect, and Zener effect dominates at reverse voltage less than 6 volt while avalanche effect dominates above 6 volt. At the same time, the Zener diode for the like fabrication of Zener diode, silicon and germanium can be used, but silicon is preferred. Why silicon is preferred? There are two important factors. First is its higher temperature and second is the current capability. That is why silicon is always preferred than the germanium. Some of the important points which you must remember that the breakdown voltage of a Zener diode is set carefully by controlling the doping level during the manufacturing. Zener diodes are the basic building blocks of electronic circuits. They are widely used in all kind of electronic equipments. Zener diodes are mainly used to protect electronic circuits from over voltage. So all of these points are very important. You must remember it. Moving ahead, this is the circuit symbol for the Zener diode. You can see Zener diode is a two-terminal device. The terminals are anode and cathode. And the arrowhead in the symbol, it points towards the conventional direction of current through the Zener diode. Means when it is the forward biased. But you know that Zener diode is a reverse biased heavily doped PN junction. So when the cathode is connected to the positive terminal and anode is connected to the negative terminal of the DC source, the Zener diode is said to be in reverse bias. So how this like battery is being connected over here? See, positive, negative, positive, negative. Then a current limiting resistor is also need to be connected over here. This is the Zener diode, you can see. And here you can see because of this applied voltage battery source, this Zener diode, it acts in a reverse bias condition. This is our current limiting resistor and Vz is the Zener voltage. This is, so voltage developed, positive, negative. You can see the current flow in this particular direction, and if this is IR, current which is passing through this limiter resistor. So here you can see now it is connected in a reverse bias condition. Positive terminal of battery is connected with cathode and negative is connected with the anode. And reverse biasing of the Zener diode, it is used as a voltage regulator. As a voltage regulator. How analysis of a Zener diode circuit is being done? So you can analyze the circuit using Zener diode easily by replacing the Zener diode with its equivalent circuit. And for this, two conditions of Zener diode, two states exist over there. Let me write it. Analysis of Zener diode circuit. So here you have to understand the two conditions. When applied voltage V is greater than Zener voltage, here what will happen? Let me draw it. When this applied voltage, this is greater than Zener voltage, this is the case. Vz is the Zener voltage. It means if the reverse bias voltage across a Zener diode, it is equal to or more than the breakdown voltage Vz, the current will increase sharply. It means in this region the curve will be almost vertical. In the breakdown region, an ideal Zener diode may be represented by a battery itself. Means now it can be represented as a battery, positive, negative terminal. This is nothing but the Vz plus minus. Current will be flowing in this direction, which is Iz, and V is the applied potential. This is plus and this is minus. And in this condition, the Zener diode is said to be in on state. This is in on state. And the second condition is, second case, when this applied voltage is less than Zener voltage. Now, if the reverse voltage applied across the Zener diode, it is less than Vz, but it must be greater than 0 obviously, then the Zener diode will be in the off state, and in this condition Zener diode can be represented by an open circuit. How it can be represented now? It can be represented as open circuit. V is the applied potential. Over here, this is negative, this is positive. And in this particular condition, it behaves as off state. So you must remember this. When the applied voltage is greater than Vz, it behaves as an on state, but when V is less than Vz, it behaves as a off state. VI characteristics of a Zener diode. So the VI characteristics of a Zener diode, it can be divided into two parts, forward characteristics and reverse characteristics. The forward characteristics of a Zener diode, it is almost identical to the forward characteristics of the PN junction diode. So you can see over here, and what is this point? This point is denoted as V0 and it is known as a cut in voltage. This is the cut in voltage. But now let us discuss about the reverse characteristics. So as we increase the reverse voltage, initially a very small reverse saturation current flows, and this very small reverse saturation current, it is denoted as I0 over here, and which is of the order of the microampere. This current is because of the thermally generated minority carriers, and at a certain value the reverse voltage increases suddenly and sharply, which is indicated by this particular point, and this point is known as a breakdown voltage. So it is also known as a Zener breakdown voltage or Zener voltage, and it is denoted as VZ. This is Zener breakdown voltage, and the value of Vz, it can be precisely controlled by the doping level of P and N regions at the time of manufacturing a Zener diode. And after breakdown occurs, you can see after this particular point, the voltage across the Zener diode, it remains constant, which is equal to Vz. You can observe from this region to this region, the voltage Vz is constant over here, and any increase in the source voltage will result in the increase in reverse Zener current. And here in this particular diagram, you can observe, you must note down this particular point as well. After the reverse breakdown, The Zener diode operate in this particular region, which is known as a Zener region, and here now the current is represented as what? This is IZ minimum value. 1 minute. This is IZ minimum, IZ minimum, and this particular value is IZ maximum value, and this is the Zener region, as I have told you. So here you can see the voltage across the Zener diode. This voltage remains constant, but current changes, and it changes depending upon the supply voltage. So Zener diode is operated in this region, and when it is used, it is known as a voltage regulator. So this is one of the major application of the Zener diode, that Zener diode acts as a voltage regulator. Some of the advantages of Zener diode, you must note down and you must remember each and every point. Power dissipation capacity is very high, high accuracy, small size, and low cost. So these are the factors which make very popular the Zener diode. What are the application areas where the Zener diodes can be used? Zener diodes is normally used as a voltage reference, in voltage stabilizers or shunt regulators, in switching operations, in clipping circuits, in clamping circuits, and in various protection circuits also Zener diode can be used. See, you have seen the Zener diode for the meter protection is being used, again damaging from the accidental applications because of the excessive voltage. So these are the various very popular applications of the Zener diode.